Here's a silver clock on the table, and I want to turn it into gold. I've separated the clock face and the clock into separate layers so I don't color the face as well. To color, I'll select the clock. Go to Image Adjustments and choose Curves. We can look at the individual channels, but there's no yellow channel. We want a yellow color, so let's start with the red. Click in the middle and drag up to boost the red. And now let's go to the green channel and add a bit of green. We don't need very much. There's a kind of copper effect, a bit more green, and that's much more gold. It's all a bit too bright. So let's go to the Rouge Master channel and click and drag down to darken the whole thing up. And there is our gold clock. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.